Hey guys, welcome back to Theatrically Jerry. I'm Jerry, obviously. I am coming on to do a huge shout out to Novostella for sending me out this 30 bulb smart multicolor string light. They had a contest online and they wanted people to post a picture of their Halloween display, so I did post mine from at Official Darkness Falls Cemetery for 2023 season. It is a Halloween display that I do every year. So I had posted a picture and they liked it, so I won their contest. So huge shout out to Novostella, and I know this isn't DJ lighting or theatrical lighting, but like I had stated, I'm going to be reviewing all sorts of lights. I love lights. I love colors. I love technology. So I'm going to do a review on this, and if you guys want to watch it, it'll be up later on my YouTube channel at TheatricallyJerry. Anyways, let's take a quick look at the box here. So, this is the leading brand of smart floodlight. This seems to be a RGBCW. I've never heard of a CW. Red, green, blue, cyan, and white. I don't know. I've never heard of that. But anyways, that's what this is. And F30 means that there are 30 bulbs on this string light. It is a 12 volt 3 amp power adapter, so it doesn't take a whole lot of power, which I love for my outdoor lighting. 20 watts, yeah, there's not a whole lot of power, so you gotta divide that between 30 light bulbs. I'm not gonna do the math because I'm not good at it. If anybody wants to do the math and put it in the comments, have at it. Anyways, color RGBCW. Never heard of that before. I'm gonna have to look up what that means, or it could be a typo. I'm not sure. Usually it's like RGB A, like amber or white, but maybe CW means cool white. Could very well mean cool white. I don't know. Which means there's no warm white, which that's fine, but it looks like there is on the box. 400 lumens. That's not too bad, actually. It's IP65 rated, which means that it is weather and water resistant, and dust proof or resistant. But yeah, anyways, we won't go into that because that's for another day. Anyways, there is a included remote, and that is stating the battery, which is a CR2025 battery. It's included. The standby power, it only consumes 0.5 watts, so half of a watt. That's pretty good for standby. It needs the standby power because it does have a Wi-Fi adapter, because these are smart string lights. So it does have to stand by. It can't completely turn off unless you unplug it. There's 25,000 hours of life expectancy on these string lights, which who's to say whether there is or there isn't, because there's no way to measure it, but usually LEDs are like 50,000 hours, so I mean, it's not too bad. There is no mercury content in this, which I wouldn't expect, but it's good to know that there's not, because some people like to know what's in their products that they're buying. Anyways, like I said, it said RGB CW, which I thought was cool white, but like I had said, there's warm white lights on these string lights, so the only way we're going to find out is when I open it and test them out. But that's a pretty cool picture. This packaging's great. All right, on this side, I actually enjoyed this because I do like to know more about my lights, like their beam spread, their angle, stuff like that. Non-dimmable, so you can't hook these up to a dimmer, which I don't think you would have a dimmer outside. I mean, I know I don't, but if you do, you can't hook this up to that. It's got to be hooked up to direct power. This is telling you that it has a 120 degree beam spread on each LED. So it's got a very wide angle spread on it. This is the operating temperatures, which is perfect for outdoors. So you're never going to experience these or these unless you live in one extreme continent or the other. So this covers all of outdoors. It even tells you the startup time, which I thought was funny, and the warm-up time. So starting time is less than or greater to 500 milliseconds, which you would never know because that's extremely fast. Warm-up time to 90% is less than 1 second. So pretty much instant for both of these. We have an on and off switch, and it says 25,000 times, so I'm assuming that's where they stated this has a 25,000 hour life expectancy. So that's kind of cool. There's the information FCC ID for your Wi-Fi receiver, which, like I stated, is built in, and your remote control. It's ROHS compliant, which I like to see, and CE compliant, and FCC compliant. And it can be recycled, which is also great, because I'm all for not ruining the environment any more than it already is. So, anyways, that is a quick look at the Novostella 30 bulb smart multicolor string lights. Like I said, we're gonna do a unboxing of this, and also to test them out to show you guys what they look like, obviously, and how they operate. But that's gonna be on a separate video, so stay tuned to my channel at TheatricallyJerry, and this video will be coming up soon.